Hello, it is February the 9th on Friday, 2018. John in Memphis asked me to shoot this video. This is the 2006 International 4300 Forestry truck. We're here at North Texas Equipment. I told you I'd shoot a video of it. We'll start it up on video, operate the hydraulics, let you listen to the motor, the whole bit. You walk around it first and just kind of let you have a little better view than what you get with just pictures. Got the cone holders there on the bumper. Rack's in good shape up over the cab. Protect that against falling branches and things. Tires are in very good shape. Overall, the truck, I mean, just minor dents, scratches. The heavy metal, you know, the iron parts that weren't rust preventative got a little surface rust on them. No big deal, nothing structural or anything. Undercarriage is clean. Fuel tank is very clean. Toolboxes are in good shape. Chipper bed is in very good shape. Toolbox there behind the back tire, good shape. Does have a pintle hook hitch on the rear for a chipper. Rear of the chipper bed. Inside the bed is in good shape. Got a compartment there. That's for pole saws. It's the full length of the bed for you to put a long saw or any kind of long tools in. All right, we will go ahead and start up the truck and let you listen to it. Rev it up a little bit. Sounds very healthy, no smoke. Not hard to start, runs great. Okay, now I'll step back while he engages everything and operates the hydraulics. The PTO there, that's that little whine you hear. Put the outrigger down. The other outrigger down on the other side. Apologize for the wind. It's not normally this windy here. Up the boom. lower boom. rotational function there. The rotational function is one of the most expensive items if there is a problem with. The way you can tell is it'll make noise, it'll have kind of a popping motion, and it won't move real smooth and fluid like that one is. Always try to stay away from a bucket truck that has a rotational issue. It's fairly pricey, as the boom has to be removed from the truck. The boom is 360, meaning it'll rotate all the way around without having to run back all the way. All right, and I'll run in here and I will dump the chipper bed for you as well. So you can see that functions. Step back here and let you see that the bed is put it back down so he can bring the bed down. Show you the interior of the truck as well. Interior's in good shape. So right at the shifter there, that's a big pocket to be able to put things. Then you can put any style of radio you want right above that red light there. Show you the headliner. Alright, he's got the boom down, and we will pull it back around back. Give me a call and let me know if you have any questions. We'd love to earn your business on it. I really do think that for the age of the truck and for what it is, it's in pretty good shape. It's not perfect, but it is fully functional and 100% ready to go to work. So give me a call and let me know if you have any questions. This is Scott with North Texas Equipment. Thank you.